Does house flipping really work? I've gone to a seminar and I'm not having much success.
Again, unfortunately, a message, an email, a call we get frequently in the office, multiple times a week. Flipping homes does work. You can make a lot of money doing it. I have made a small fortune flipping homes. And what's really great is you can do it anywhere in the country. You know, some people say, well, it doesn't work here in California. I've done a lot of deals in California. It doesn't work in Vegas. Did over 500 deals in Vegas. I mean, so it works anywhere in the country. The challenge is there is, in any situation, college or in the seminar world, the textbook knowledge only takes you so far. It's real world application that is what's missing for most people. So one of the things we do at Complete Lending is we provide free education. We don't charge for it. We're not a seminar company. I always tell people, in the real world, where do you want to get your information from? Do you want to get it from a book, video, a seminar? Or how about getting it from the person that's actually writing the check to fund your deal? It makes a lot more sense for you to find out what my guidelines are and what my criteria are, because I'm the one that's funding your deal. And again, we'll fund the majority of your deal. So flipping does work. You can make a lot of money. Again, we have deals delivered. Most of our deals are anywhere from $15,000 to about $40,000 profit. We just literally give them to our investors. The only thing we ask for is to be the lender. We don't mark them up. So while you're out there in the seminar world, got out, you're frustrated, you can't find a deal, we can keep feeding you deals. Long answer to a short question. It really does work.